The Dockmate remote control is very useful, obviously, when docking your boat. As you can see here, pulling stern in using the Dockmate is very effective. What we'd like to address today is a different use for the Dockmate, and that is helping pull up the anchor.
Good morning. I want to take a minute and talk about my Dockmate remote and a benefit of it that many might not think through when they're considering buying a remote control for their boat. So we are in the Matanzas River at Matanzas Inlet in Florida. With all of this current, normally Paula would be up at the bow doing the work and I would be at the controls having to move the boat in whichever direction she said I needed to pull up the anchor. That's hard on her in that she's got to constantly be pointing, and I never know where we really are in terms of where the boat is. So with the remote in hand, I can bring us up nice and gentle so that there's never any pressure on the line. And if I feel pressure occurring, whoops, I went a little too far. I gave it a little too much. So I can back her down. So there's no pressure whatsoever on the line. Oh, I can feel it starting to work. I can give it one more little bump here. Take that pressure off the line. And she comes up nice and easy. Now with the snubber off, the chain is again become taut because we're in quite a strong current. So I can just move the boat forward right at the anchor point while I'm observing where exactly I need to go. I can see exactly how much tension is in the line and give just enough power. Coming right up on the line here. No tension whatsoever. Give it one more kick on the port side here. One more little kick starboard, so I'm right over it. And now we'll start to lift her the last little bit. One more kick. All right, now we're right over it. And what I do now is I'll pause and let that momentum of the boat hopefully work the anchor out. We've got to be stuck in quite a bit of mud. We've got a huge anchor on this boat. Let's see if she'll come up. Yep, she's coming up no problem. Gonna drop her down. Now I want to make sure the current's moving me, and I want to make sure that I'm not going into a dangerous situation. So while I'm still playing with the anchor and bringing it up, I can start to move us forward. Getting the mud off of her. Here she comes. Swing, little butterfly, swing. There we go. So even as I bring her up now, I can start steering and getting us out of any danger in terms of backward motion due to the current. And anchors up. I can hand off to Paula now. I'll head towards the bridge as we move away from any kind of shallow zones, and easy pulling up of the anchor with the Dockmate.